Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Turn the ignition to accessory or run so the sync system powers up. On your phone, open Bluetooth and make it discoverable. This lets the car see the device. Next, press the phone or Bluetooth button on the Focus's radio to enter pairing mode. Make sure the display shows pairing or a pin. Once done, you'll move to selecting the device on your phone and confirming the PIN shown on both screens. Now pick up your phone and look for Forward or Sync in the Bluetooth device list. Tap to connect. You'll see a PIN on the car display and your phone. Confirm they match, then accept on both devices. This step establishes a secure link, so don't skip verification. Make sure to allow permission to sync contacts and messages when prompted. That enables hands-free calling and caller ID. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry quickly. Temporary glitches are normal with new pairings. Finish by setting the car's audio source to Bluetooth and making a test call so you can judge microphone and speaker clarity. You want to confirm contacts appear and call audio routes correctly. If not, adjust volume or microphone position. If pairing fails, try one key troubleshooting move. Restart your phone, turn the car off and on, then repeat pairing steps. That clears most handshake errors. If problems persist, delete the device from both phone and sync. Then repair as a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.